Ever wondered how creators turn passion into profit? In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, you have here various things and several things that you have to know. But before, let's know what is Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators, such as artists, writers, and podcasters, and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So to get started, all you have to do is click over get started and you write your email address and your password and you get started, or you sign up, or you start your inscription with patreon.com. But if you have an account, you have to click over login. You can use Google or Apple or Facebook, and you can use also this one. It's email. You write your email address and your password, then you click over continue and you will find this page, but you have to verify if it is as a creator. So this is the home page. We have here your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. Adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. You have the first thing, add a profile photo. Describe your page, then let people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. Then you have here make your first public post. Let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. You have published in your page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. You have to tell people, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. About this one, you have just to click over here and you write your video URL and you write your PR, add a short bio to let people know more about who are you and why you create and why you are on Patreon. Then you have your social, help people find you wherever you are, connect your other accounts to show them on your page who will never post on your behalf. You can use YouTube to connect, Instagram, also Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok also, and you click over save. Then we have here make your first public tools post. You have just to select a type. For example, we have text, video, audio, image, link, poll, live stream also. And we'll click over text. And we have here create text post. Add the title here. Selling products, for example. Then you have what you are thinking about. How to or selling new shoes of basketball, and I will design which one. Basketball, especially Kyrie's Irving, and I will choose which one. Infinity for example. Then you have also, if you have attachment and you have uploaded, then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find your publishing options. You have your selling products, who can access this post. This post will be visible to anyone who visits your Patreon. I will make it public or paid members only or free members only. So I will choose public. We have set a release date. You can switch on or switch off on the date here and the time also. Then we have here allow comments on this post. All members can comment on your public post. Just deactivate, or you can just switch on or switch off. Then you have your notify members when this post goes live. Members will get notified based on their notification settings. And then you just click over schedule. So let's come back. We have also here collections. You have just to click over create collection and you write collection title, add the title and also description. Then you click over create. Also you have to upload the image here if you want. Then we have membership here. Build your paid membership. Income, you can count on earning acquiring income from your biggest fans. You have to start with what you have or for something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some other perks. Then we have you grow your creative businesses, get insights on your members, get exclusive member only chats and more. You can just click over get started. We have your new tier and also we have you choose what to offer. What benefits should I offer? Bonus content, behind the scenes content, access to a community chat, member only voting, early access. Then if you click over next, we have your tiers and pricing. How many tiers should I have? What price should I choose also? And then you click over done. We have your new tier, customize tier name, monthly price. Then you have tier description, describe the benefits and exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Add cover image, tier benefits. Feature will also allow members to try this tier for 7 days before charging them. Then we have here advanced tier settings. Ask members for a shipping address in the checkout. You have a limited number of members who can join this tier. For example, 1 million. Then you have Discord access here. Configure your feed. So let's come back. And this is how it works with this one. You can just get started as soon as possible, and especially if you create an account and you will get it and you will earn money with it because your supporters and your followers support you financially. And this is how it works with patreon.com. And you can just come back here firstly and know more information about here like pricing, features, creators, resources, company also. So let's come back to the top. And this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.